Hey everyone! In this video, we're adding pagination to our fetch logic using Spring Data JPA. Instead of fetching all records at once, we'll load them page by page. Let's jump into the code and see how easy and powerful this is. In the last video, we learned how to apply sorting using Spring Data JPA, sorting by employee name, then chaining it with department in descending order. But for now, let's comment out the sort logic, because we'll focus only on pagination in this video. Sorting will come back later once we combine it with paging. Spring Data JPA provides another overloaded findAll method that takes a Pageable request and returns a page of data. And what's great is, this page object doesn't just give you the list of records, but also metadata like
total pages, total elements, current page number, page size.
Okay, let's create a Pageable object now. And make sure you import it from org.springframework.data.domain, not any other package. Now, this Pageable is an interface, and we usually use its implementation page request to create pagination parameters like page number and size. Page request provides multiple overloaded of methods, and one of them takes just the page number and page size. Let's use that one to quickly create a Pageable object. The Pageable object in Spring Data JPA uses zero-based indexing, which means the first page is page number 0, not 1. So if you want the first page, pass 0 as the page number. If you pass 1, you'll actually be fetching the second page. Alright, now that we have our Pageable object ready, just pass it into the findAll method. It returns a page of employee, not just a list. Now we need to extract the actual list of employees from this page object. The page of employee object provides a method called getContent. And what does it give you? Exactly, it gives you the list of employee from the current page. The page object doesn't just give us content. It also provides getTotalElements method, the total number of records in the DB that match the query. getTotalPages method, the total number of pages available based on current page size. These are super helpful when you're building paginated APIs. For example, in our custom page response object, we need total records. Just get it using our custom page response class already takes total records and calculates total pages internally. But hey, if you want to rely fully on the page object returned by Spring Data JPA, you totally can. And then manually set them in your page response object if needed. Alright, it's all set up. That was super simple, right? Just created a Pageable object, passed it to findAll, and done. JPA handles pagination out of the box. Now let's start the application. Alright, take a look at my database, currently have 61 employee records. Now with a page size of 4, that means we should have 16 pages total. Cool, now let's hit the API for page 1. We got 4 records for this page, just as expected because our page size is set to 4. Also, check this out, total pages returned is 16, and that's because our database currently has 61 records. It's all working perfectly with pagination. Alright, now let's hit page 2 of our API. See, we got the next set of records. The data is coming exactly as expected for page 2, with 4 employees per page. Alright, now let's discuss how both sorting and pagination work together in Spring Data JPA. Remember, the findAll method accepts only one argument at a time. Alright, let's uncomment one of the sort objects we created earlier. Say we want to sort by employee name in ascending order. We'll bring that line back into action. See my screen, you notice that the PageRequest.of method has an overloaded version that takes a sort object too. That's right, you're super intelligent. Just pass the sort object as the third parameter when creating the page request.
And it's done.
We've now combined pagination and sorting. Start the application.
Hit our API again.
See, it returned exactly 4 records, just like we set in the page size. And notice, they're perfectly sorted by employee name, exactly as we wanted. Alright guys, we just saw how smooth it is to implement pagination and sorting, right? Super simple, super clean. Now in the next video, we're leveling things up. We'll add dynamic filtering. So you'll be able to fetch records based on filters like employee name, department, or anything else you need, and yes, it'll work perfectly with pagination and sorting too. If you're enjoying this hands-on coding journey,
Smash that like button.
subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment. Tell me what filters you'd love to see. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's keep learning and building together.